Excuse me. Big breaking news. I'm calling out all my Haitians and Haitian business owners. May 22nd, Haitian American Chamber of Commerce, aka HAAMCC, for their 10th year anniversary has pulled off the incredible. We have our own night at the Miami Marlins game versus the Atlanta Braves, who have a Haitian pitcher. We have so much Haitian night that we have an iconic Haitian singer, Belo, who will be singing the national anthem. For this game, the Haitian American Chamber of Commerce will choose 5 businesses to get shouted out the whole game. Ça veut dire que ça sous mon business, the whole game, tout match là, tout mon attendait business. So if you're interested in this opportunity, make sure you hit up the Vice President of HAAMCC, Ms. Jenna St. Fleur, with the details below. How could I forget? May 16th, Mama Gina will be throwing the first pitch at the Miami Marlins game versus the Washington Nationals. And she's been practicing, well, her and my dad, they've been practicing all day. Let me see what they got. My man.
Baby, no.
What's the name?
Bueno.